In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a pinescript to Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a pinescript you already have and get it running on your charts quickly and reliably. Start by heading into Tradingview and opening any chart you want to work with. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Pine Editor tab. Click it to open the code editor. If your screen looks crowded, try expanding the editor area so you can see your code clearly alongside the chart. This is where all your pinescript work lives inside Tradingview. With the editor open, click New at the top right of the editor window. You'll see options such as blank indicator script or strategy. Choose the one that matches what your code is designed for. Indicators visualize signals or calculations, often on the chart or in a separate pane, while strategies include trading logic and can run backtests. Picking the correct type helps Tradingview apply your script properly. Now it's time to bring in your code. The new file may contain some default template code. Select it all and delete it so you are working with a clean slate. Paste your pinescript directly into the editor. If your script includes a version line like //version equal to 5, keep it as is. It tells Tradingview which language version to compile. After pasting, take a quick look for any obvious formatting issues and make sure everything pasted in full. Next, save your work. Click the Save button at the top of the editor, or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Give your script a clear descriptive name so you can find it later in your list. Saving ensures the editor compiles your script and stores it in your account, which is especially helpful if you switch devices or browsers. With your script saved, click Add to Chart, located right next to the Save button. If it's an indicator, you'll see it appear either over the price chart or in a new pane below, depending on how it was coded. If it's a strategy, you'll see performance metrics and trades plotted. If any errors appear, check the message at the bottom of the editor. It usually points to the exact line that needs attention, such as a missing bracket or a parameter mismatch. That's all there is to it. Open the Pine editor. From here, you can tweak inputs, change timeframes, and visually confirm that everything behaves as expected. Keep your scripts organized with good names and remember to save after edits. You are now ready to insert pinescripts into Tradingview with confidence.